Hey, good morning, everybody. I can see that some of us might be struggling a little bit with how to edit and print Google Docs or Google Slides. So I'm going to discuss the lesson about Thursday with you real quick and give you a quick tutorial. Go into your course and select the Thursday assignment. And it's going to give you some options. Wait, that's not it. I'm sorry. Let me back up here. Okay. Thursday assignment right here. My computer's a little slow right now. Okay. So here's our Thursday assignment. It says you can take a photo of your work and upload it, or you can create your own digital version. So here's what I'm going to suggest to you. If you want to print the document at home and draw on it yourself and take a picture of it and email it to me, click on Google Docs. Okay, this is not going to be the best document to digitally edit. You can type on here, but illustrating on here is going to be difficult. You can insert images. Sorry, my computer is really acting up this morning. You can insert images if you click on Insert and insert a drawing. And you're going to click a new drawing, and you can draw your motion graph right here. You just click on line, and you would say that you were walking at a constant pace, and then you maybe stopped for, whoop, nope, hold up. Let's go back, undo, okay? Then you want to start another line. And then you stopped for a little while and took a break. And then you, let's say, whoop, undo. I love the undo button. And then you returned home, you know. That would be your graph, your motion graph, if you told a story that was like that. It was a really basic story. I want your story to be better. Have lots of stops and starts. You would click save and close. And you can take this picture and you grab it and move it here. See, it's tricky on this thing. I'm not gonna lie, it is tricky on here. Really, I would suggest. See, I'm almost getting it. If I put it there, yeah, it's not gonna let me. So this is what I would do. Forget all that. Don't do that. Just print if you're making a Google Doc. It's not easy. Now, if you want to edit a document, use the Google Slide instead. This one you can draw on much easier. Okay? So, here's our graphic motion story. You're going to want to click File to make a copy for your own that you can edit. I'm going to edit the entire presentation, and you just rename it. Give it your name, Mr. Terry's graphic motion story. I'm going to click on that. All right. So, if you're editing, come on, computer. This computer's so slow. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Here's how you can do this. You can type text in here. I started walking down the street at a constant pace. Okay, so there. That's where you put your story. If you want to insert an image here, you can certainly draw anything with this. If you click on this line right here and you go scribble, you can draw yourself a little picture of you. And I'm just doing this really quickly. I want you to take more time. Sorry. This is a bad stick figure, y'all. Here's your little stick figure. Whoa, look at those arms. That's a big arm. Okay? Yep, you have to click scribble every time. But say that's you. Sorry, my art is bad. It's really bad. But you get the idea. You can draw your little picture here, or you can go back into your thing. You can click insert an image, and you can search the web. Search for walking down the street. Okay? Whatever image you like. Boom. There we go. This guy. I'm going to click that. And I'm going to insert that image. Unable to create some images. Well, sometimes you got to tinker with it. Here's an image. Search the web. Let's try these people walking down the street. Okay, that one worked. So you're going to put that here. You can use these little squares to adjust the size of your picture, and you can actually fit it perfectly to go in this box that I made for you. There you go. There's our picture. Okay? Now, here's the graph. Remember, this side is distance. And, well, can't spell. All right, that's distance. And remember, down here is your time. Okay? So, if you were walking down the street, and I would click a different color for your line here, because black and black is not going to work very well. And where's my line color? I can figure that out in a second. Okay. If you start at home and you're walking at a constant pace, and you walk for 5, 10, 15 minutes, and let's say you go 1/2 of a mile in 5 minutes. So this would be how far you've walked, and this would be the amount of time it took you to get there. So there, you're walking at a constant pace. I'm actually going to click on my line there, and I'm going to change the color to something that's going to stand out really good, yellow, and I'm going to make it thicker so that I can see. Okay? And I want to do another line. Let's say that you can actually do a straight line too if you want to. Let's say you stopped by a pond to look at the fish or the ducks or whatever, or just, admire nature. So you stopped for a little while, you stopped moving. Time keeps going even though you're not moving. So your distance won't increase, but time keeps going. So there's my stop. Do my thickness there on the line. And then I said, okay, had enough of nature, ready to go home. So I'm going to return to my start. So I put a line in right here going back to where I started from. My distance doesn't increase, but time it always keeps going. So if my distance is decreasing, my line goes there. Okay? I hope that helps. Remember that you can share this with me by typing in my name, Jeramiah Jeremiah Terry at cloud.redocisd.org, and you would click send, and I would have it, and your work would be done if this was complete. I hope that helps. Anyone who's having trouble with editing these documents, remember to just be patient. We'll get through this together. And if you have any questions, you can email me. All right. I'll talk to everybody later. Bye.